If you're already booked or thinking to head to a Sandals resort in the near future, well, you might also have something that I often have on my mind: food. As someone who has visited 142 countries, I can tell you that my personal favorite thing to do in any new destination is to not only explore the local culture, but also to sample the local delicacy. If it's your first time on this channel, Mr TraveLux, I want to welcome you. I'm Madison, founder and CEO of Reliant Destinations and MyCaribbeanLuxury.com. It's an honor to have you on this channel today as we dive in and look at the national dish of each of the islands where there is a Sandals resort. For those of you who frequent this channel, you'll know I always mention that you want to look in that description below. There's always so much information there for you, or if you're on a smart television, there's a QR code here for you as well. Most importantly, at Reliant Destinations, we want to make sure that you have the best service, the best value, and the best experience possible when it comes to your Sandals or beaches vacation. To make sure that happens, please make sure to reach out to us, hello@ReliantDestinations.com. Again, that's hello@ReliantDestinations.com. My team and I would love to assist you as you take this exciting journey to explore a tropical paradise. Our services are complimentary, come at no charge to you whatsoever, and we have a lot of insider guides, insider information, also some added value that we can give you for your reservation. Alright foodies, let's jump straight into this video about the national dishes you should try when visiting a Sandals resort. Let's go! First, let's begin in the homeland and birthplace of Sandals Resorts, Jamaica. Not only is it where Sandals was founded, but this is also the largest of the islands, and so there are multiple Sandals resorts there. You have two amazing resorts in the Montego Bay area, a handful of resorts in the Ocho Rios area, and also two cellar resorts over in Negril and the South Coast area in White House. Jamaicans do share a love for food. You will see the love of food in Jamaican people demonstrated in many ways, ranging from the jerk shack on the beach all the way to Jamaican fine dining in many of the Sandals resorts. When it comes to the national dish, the official dish of Jamaica, that is ackee and saltfish. This is sauteed with onions, peppers, and spices, and it has a delicious aroma. And it's something where if you are visiting Jamaica, you definitely want to at least get a taste of this national dish. There are so many more amazing delicacies there in Jamaica, but we don't have time in this video for that, so we're going to head over all the way to the south in the Caribbean, and we're going to go to the island of Barbados, where two Sandals resorts sit sister and sister, Sandals Barbados and Sandals Royal Barbados. On this island, the national dish takes its form in cuckoo and flying fish. Cuckoo is made from cornmeal or polenta and also okra. The flying fish is typically cooked in a Creole-style sauce, and then these are mixed together in the most wonderful of ways. Next, we're going to visit its neighbor Grenada, where we have the amazing Sandals Grenada Resort and Spa. There, the dish has a very simple name. It's called Oiled Down. So this name Oiled Down, where does it come from? So it basically comes from the fact of coconut milk being reduced down when cooking and being absorbed into the rest of the ingredients. So literally cooking the oil down. This is chicken and pigtails in a one-pot mixture with dumplings, vegetables, and seasonings. And of course, as we learned from the name, that main ingredient which brings all the flavors together, coconut milk. Next, we're flying over to the island of Antigua, where we have a singular Sandals resort, which is Sandals Grand Antigua. In Antigua and Barbuda, the food comes to life in the form of fungi and pepper pot. Fungi is a type of cornmeal made from okra, and pepper pot, well, this is a hearty, rich stew. So this flavorful stew and okra-based cornmeal, there we have fungi and pepper pot. Next, we go to the very northern part of the Caribbean, and we're going to land in the Bahamas. On the island of Nassau, there you have Sandals Royal Bahamian, a recently refurbished resort. And then over in the Exumas in the Bahamas, you have Sandals Emerald Bay, which by the way has a gorgeous golf course. In the Bahamas, crack conch reigns king as the national dish. Yes, this is C-O-N-C-H, also pronounced conch. You can have conch in so many ways, and they do in the Bahamas. With raw vegetables, raw with lime juice, conch fritters, even conch salad, there's a lot of combinations to be had. Next we go to an island which is near and dear to my heart, the beautiful island of St. Lucia, home of the World UNESCO Piton Mountains. On this gorgeous island of St. Lucia, there are 3 Sandals resorts. The southernmost one, Sandals Regency La Toc. In the middle, Sandals Halcyon, and then at the very northernmost, we have Sandals Grand St. Lucian, and a grand resort it is. There they are known for their coveted green, fig, and saltfish. So basically what we're looking at here is salted cod and sauteed steamed bananas. The green bananas and the salted cod are cooked separately and then mixed together after being sauteed at the last moment. Then we hop over to the Dutch Caribbean island of Curaçao, and the Dutch love their national dish, Caiciana. This loosely translates to stuffed cheese in English. Think meat, olives, pickled onions, plums, all wrapped in cheese. If you've ever been to the Netherlands, yes, you'll know that cheese is supreme there, so it makes a lot of sense that cheese also holds part of this national dish in Curaçao. Now we are on the newest island for Sandals Resorts, and this is St. Vincent and the Grenadines. The national dish there is roasted breadfruit and fried jackfish. In my experience, it seems that breadfruit and jackfish are rather unfamiliar to most North American tourists, so it's something you definitely want to check out when you're on the island. Finally is an island where there is only one resort in this family. It's actually a beaches resort. So Sandals has a few resorts, the beaches resorts, which are for families or for everyone, while Sandals resorts are only for couples. So yes, Beaches Turks and Caicos, situated on the amazing Grace Bay there in the Turks and Caicos. Well, sometimes I've even found this local delicacy in the resort sometimes. And yes, the Turks and Caicos, just like their neighbor the Bahamas, well, they share a love for conch. In fact, in TCI, they love it so much that if we have a look at the actual flag itself, conch is even featured on the national flag. So wherever your hearts may lead you, do know there's a lot of amazing delicacies spread throughout the Caribbean. Personally, I haven't found anything that I don't love yet, and there's a lot of unique things to try. Yes, it might be unfamiliar to your taste buds if you're coming from North America, but rest assured, sometimes it's the unexplored which leaves you in delight. As a reminder, if you are thinking to visit one of these resorts, please reach out to us, hello@reliantdestinations.com, and it would be a true pleasure to help plan your trip and make sure every step is perfect for you. Also, please make sure to like this video and subscribe for lots of more content. Yes, there's a lot of foodie videos on this channel, but there's also videos about resort-specific features, room and suite tours, and a whole lot more, so make sure to check that out. Thanks again for stopping by. We'll see you next time.